Hello students, once again welcome all of you in Maths online class. In today's video, firstly we will discuss about the previous homework and then we solve the remaining question of the exercise 2b. So students, let's start now. So students, firstly will be solve the previous homework of the exercise 2b, and you know what was the previous homework of the exercise 2b? Question number 1 and 2. So here we solve the some questions from 1 and 2, and first is minus 8 upon 3 raised to power minus 7 divided by minus 8 upon 3 raised to power 4. So look here the division with the same base. You know very well which rule we can apply in this question. We can apply the fifth rule of the exponent. What is the fifth rule of the exponent? Dividing power with same base, then we can subtract the power. And there are the three conditions. First is a, you know, when the both power are equal, then value will be 1. When the m is greater than n, then we can subtract the numerator to denominator power, and when the n is greater than n, then we can write in this form. So look here, here is a power minus 7, here is a power 4. So 4 is greater than minus 7. Why? Because you know very well positive number always greater than negative number. So here is, so we can write this question 1 upon minus 8 upon 3 raised to power 4 minus bracket minus 7. When we open the bracket, then we get what? 1 upon, because minus minus plus, then 4 plus 7 11. 1 upon minus 8 upon 3 raised to the power 11. So we can write like as 3 upon minus 8 raised to the power 11. So look here, here is a minus 8. We know very well we cannot write the denominator with the negative sign. And how we can write the any rational number in a standard form? Multiplying by minus 1 in numerator and denominator. So answer will be minus 3 upon 8 raised to the power 11. Now question number second, 3 upon 5 raised to power minus 2 and the raised to power minus 4. So look these questions, which we can apply here. We can apply here the power of power. So power of power means multiplying the power. So 3 upon 5 base are 1, 3 upon 5, then first power is a minus 2 and second power minus 4, then minus 2 multiplied by minus 4, minus minus plus, we know that minus minus plus, and 2 4 the 8, then answer will be 3 upon 5 raised to power 8. So this was all about the previous homework. Now today's topic, first question is minus 2 upon 5 raised to the power minus 2 multiplied by minus 3 upon 2 raised to the power minus 2. See in the questions both power are same, here is a means minus 2 and minus 2. So we can write like as means minus 2 upon 5 multiplied by minus 3 upon 2 whole power minus 2. Minus 2 we can write as a common power of the both bases. So and you know this is a multiplication. So how we can multiply the rational numbers? Numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So minus minus plus, and 3 to the 6, 5 to the 10. Then 6 upon 10 minus 2 raised to power minus 2. So look here, what is the power? Minus 2. Minus 2 is a negative power, and now here we can apply the negative exponent rule. So when we apply here in the negative exponent rule, then we get what? 10 upon 6 raised to power 2. And what is the 10 upon 6 power? 2 means 10 upon 6 multiply by 2 times. So 10 upon 6 multiply by 10 upon 6. So 10 tens are 100 and 6 is a 36. Then answer will be 100 upon 36. So this is the first question. Now second is a minus 16 raised to the power minus 3 multiply by 1 upon 20 raised to power minus 3. In these questions powers are also same here, so we can easily solve these questions. So how we can solve? Multiply the both number and minus 3 write as a common power of the both. So minus 16 multiply by 1 upon 20, 1 upon 20, then whole the power minus 3. So look here, 16 and 20 divisible by which number? Divisible by 4. So now we cancel 4 4 ja 16 and 4 5 ja 20. Then what's the left here? Here is the left minus 4 upon 5 raised to the power minus 3. Again you find the power in negative form. So again we apply the negative exponent rule. So minus 5 upon 4 raised to power 3 means value will be minus 125 upon 64. How? Minus 5 upon 4 raised to power 3 means minus 5 upon 4 multiplied by 3 times minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 multiplied by minus 5, then minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 upon 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. So minus minus plus plus minus minus, then 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 125, then minus 125 upon 64. How? Because 4 4s are 16 and 16 4s are 64. So now this is the second question. Now third question. What is third question? 9 raised to power 0 plus 17 raised to power 0 plus 18 raised to power 0 whole the power 0. So we know which rule we can apply here. We can apply the 0 exponent, and you know very well, if any numbers raised to the power 0 then value will be 1. So 9 raised to power 0 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is a 3, then 3 raised to power 0 then value will be 1. So this is the question number first of today. Evaluate. Now question number second, and second is means question number third. Simplify. Simplify. In the simplify, first question is 4 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 3 raised to power minus 1 whole raised to power minus 2. So look, if you remember the exponent rule, then we can easily solve the questions of exponential form, and you can also solve the any simplification or any evaluate if you remember the exponent rule. So what is the here? 4 raised to power minus 1 divided by 3 raised to power minus 1. So see, what is the power? Minus 1 and minus 1 means negative. So we can apply the negative power rule. You know a power minus 1. So we can write 1 upon a. So what is the 4 minus power 1? So we can write the 1 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 3 raised to power minus 2. So 1 upon 4 division, this is a division of fraction, and you know very well how we can divide any fraction number. So 1 upon 4 write as the same, and division convert in a multiplication. Then 1 upon 3 write the reciprocal of 1 upon 3, so will be 3 upon 1. Then after multiplication we get the 3 upon 4 raised to the power minus 2. Then answer will be 4 upon what is the power minus 2. Then we can write the 4 upon 3 raised to power 2. Then answer will be 16 upon 9. How? Because his power is 2 means 4 upon 3 multiply by how many times? 2 times. 4 4 is 16 and 3 is 9. Now question number second. 5 raised to power minus 1 multiply by 3 raised to power minus 1 whole power raised to power minus 1 divided by 6 raised to power minus 1. Look, in these questions also the all number have to minus power. So we very well know if a minus power then we can apply the negative rule. So 1 upon 5 multiply by 1 upon 3 raised to power minus 1. How? You know, because this is a power minus 1. So we can write the 1 upon 5, and this power minus 1. We can write also the multiply 1 upon 3. So raised to power minus 1 divided by 6 power minus 1 means we can write the 1 upon 6, because here we can apply the which rule? Negative exponent rule, and that is a power minus 1. So we can write the 1 upon a. So 1 upon 5 multiply 1 upon 3, multiplication of fraction, we can easily multiply 5 3 is 15. So that is the 1 upon 15 minus what? Minus 1 is the power divided by 1 upon 6. Then minus power is a minus, so we can write the 15 upon 1 divide by 1 upon 6. So this is also division, and you know very well how we can solve the division. So 15 upon 1, keep the same, and division sign convert in multiplication, and then 1 upon 6. So what is the reciprocal of the 1 upon 6? 6 upon 1. Their answer will be 19. How? 15 6 are 19. Then third question, 6 raised to power minus 1 minus 8 raised to power minus 1 minus whole power is a 1 plus 2 raised to power minus 1 minus 3 raised to power minus 1 whole power minus 1, same as. So firstly we can convert in a which form? Fraction form, like as a, because here is a power minus 1, so we can write the a upon 1 upon a. 6 raised to power minus 1 means we can write the 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 8 whole power minus 1 plus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3 whole power minus 1. We solve like as a subtraction of the fraction and addition of the fraction. 6 and 8 LCM is a 24. 6 and 8 LCM will be 24. So 6 4 is a, then 4, 8 3 is a, then here 3. Now 2 and 3 LCM is a 6, then 2 3 is a 6, 3 2 is a 6. Now 4 minus 3, 1 upon 24 raised to power minus 1 plus 1 upon 6 raised to power minus 1. So this is the power, both power are here minus 1. So we can write opposite form, 1 upon 24, what is the reciprocal? 24 plus 6, then answer will be 30. Now last question of the today, and this is the question number 4. 5 raised to the power 0 minus 6 raised to power 0 multiply by 7 raised to power 0. This is a 0 power. You know what is the value of 0 power in number? 1. 5 raised to power 0, 1 minus 1 multiply by 1 minus 1 minus 1, 0. 0 multiply by 1, then answer will be 0, because you know very well when the any whole number rational number multiply with the 0, then answer always will be 0. So okay student, this was all about for today, and today's homework is evaluate and simplify. Here's a first question, 9 raised to power 0 minus 7 raised to power 0 whole power 0, then 5 raised to power 8 minus 8, then minus 5 raised to power minus 2 multiply by 5 plus 10. So simplify first question, then second question, and third question. So I have also attached the homework in the description of this video. So students, thank you and take care.